He was quoted as saying, si Senator Bam Aquino, sa isang panayam, I think sa GMA7, ang quote sa kanya, base rito sa online report, "The trials for these cases should ideally be held here in the Philippines because this is where the victims are." May mga nakikita po ako online ngayon sinasabi, he was probably misquoted. May iba pa nga nagsabi, distorted yung kanyang sinabi. Pero I think ang context po nitong discussion was the possible issuance of arrest warrants against Senator Bongo and 7 others. Pero pag-usapan natin to specific na binanggit po ni Senator Bam, no? Tama ba? Ideally, dapat ginagawa itong mga trial for a case like crimes against humanity in the area, for instance, in the Philippines, because this is where the victims are. Does it even make sense given the gravity of the accusation?
Christian, sa akin lang, it doesn't really make sense. Bukod dun sa pag-usapan natin kanina, titignan rin natin ang timing ng pananalita ni Senator Bam Aquino. Alam mo, maganda talagang soundbite pakinggan na kung ang problema ay nasa Pilipinas, ating lutasin sa Pilipinas. Diba? Ang ganda talaga. I mean, how could you say no to that, diba? Kaya titingnan natin ang timing, no? Unang-una, ito lang para sa akin na Christian. When Senator Aquino framed the concept of justice in relation to venue, kung dito gagawin ang ideal na dito gagawin ang paglilitis, when he framed that justice as something that depends upon the venue, he immediately created, ewan kung mag-agree ka sa akin, he immediately created a comfortable middle ground na pwede siyang umatras, pwede siyang sumulong, diba? He created a comfortable middle ground. Bakit? In that way, he avoids criticism o a backslider o yung sinasabi, traitor in relation to yung mga civil society. But at the same time, ginagawa niyang intact yung kanyang advocacy on human rights by saying, I respect the ICC.
The process,
Kasi, this is the classic, with all due respect, kilala ko yan si Senator Bam Aquino. As a matter of fact, Christian, estudyante ko yan. This is the classic, yes, but situation, di ba? Yes, but situation. Pero kung titingnan natin kasi, Christian, you should also look at the timing of how it was, when it was said. Ito nga sinasabi mo, may napipintong o may nababalita na baka magkaroon na ng warrant of arrest, di ba? Tandaan natin, we do not live in a vacuum. Yung ICC clock is ticking. At saka kung yung ideally na sinasabi niya, i-relate mo sa ICC clock na yan, nag-iiba ng complexion. Di ba? Kasi ang gusto kong tatanong sa kanya, kung makikita ko siya, Christian, ang gusto kong tanongin sa kanya ganito, kung ma-issue ang warrant of arrest bukas, ano ang igigiit mo? Igigiit mo ba na I respect the ICC and therefore I will stand aside, arestuhin nyo? O igigiit mo ba na ideally dapat dito yan, isasarado natin ang pinto sa warrant of arrest na yan? Saan ka papaling? Di ba? At dapat sa mga sitwasyon na ganito, meron kang konkretong advocacy at posisyon. Yun lang ang gusto kong malaman. Kaya gusto kong tanongin siya, ano igigit mo? Hindi ko alam, actually, Christian. Hindi ko alam. Dapat malaman natin. Kasi if you want to personify yourself either as a human rights advocate or as an internationalist, then you have to, the situation demands that you make a position kasi nga may mga biktima. May mga biktima na iyan lang ang kanilang tinitingnan na pag-asa, di ba? Wag na nating tanggalin sa kanila yan kahit na sa pagdududa lamang, di ba?
Opo. I agree yung binanggit niyo, no? It's a yes but statement. Kung if I may, no, dadagdagan ko lang po. Actually, ang basa ko rito, given the timing that you mentioned, this advertently or inadvertently falls into the narrative of the DDS. Ito yung sinasabi kasi ng mga DDS for so long eh. Hindi ba? Dito nyo sila usigin. Dito gawin yung trial. Ang nakakalimutan sa ganitong simplistic statement ay yung sitwasyon. Di ba? Sinubukan po yung gawin over the past 6 years ng napakaraming biktima at napakahirap kumuha ng ebidensya dahil karamihan po tampered. Diba yung mga medical records, tapos paano nung ipoprosecute? Kunwari isang simpleng biktima lalapit sa police station, police yung may pakana. Tapos yung Department of Justice kontrolado ni Duterte. Tapos from the very top, the president was setting the tone. Diba sinasabi niya, sagot ko yung mga police, pagpapatayin niya. Hindi po ba? Yun yung bigger context na parang namimiss. Actually, namimiss sa mga ganitong simple statements, hindi po ba?
Gandang punto, Christian. Gandang punto niyan. Dapat marinig ka ni Senator Babakino. Sapagkat para siyang gumagawa ng two choice. Para bang, okay, I respect the ICC, but I give, ideal preference to our court system na alam naman natin, ilang big fish naman ang nako-convict niyan. Isa nga na-convict si President Estrada na pardon pa. So,
right, in a few months.
Yes, in a few months. So therefore, are you invoking an ideal setting in the Philippines when in reality, we actually know, di ba, we actually know that halos wala namang big fish ang nakakonvict dito eh. Di ba? Parang hanggang sampa lang ng kaso, hanggang trial, pero at the end of the day, acquitted. Parang, Come on, let's be realistic. Yun lang ang gusto kong sabihin. Kung magsasalita ka ng ideal, then what for you is ideal? Tignan mo ang paligid mo. Di ba? Tignan mo ang paligid. Tignan mo ang justice system natin. Tsaka tignan mo yung sinabi ni Christian. Di ba? Therefore, the ideal, parang isang ideal is a concept that has no factual bearing as of now in the Philippines.
Do you buy the idea that he probably simply misspoke? Although hindi ko pa naman nadidinig na ginagamit yung dahilan yun.
Well, okay. Ang first, Christian, ang first impression ko talaga, when you lower the issue of justice to in relation to venues, you are not talking about values. You are not talking about values. You are not crudely, you are not in pursuit of justice. You are in pursuit of good ratings. Diba? Kasi hindi na values ang pinag-uusapan kung venue lang eh. Yan ang first reaction ko. Yan ang first reaction ko. It's not anymore a pursuit of justice kasi tinitimbang niya ang lugar, but it is a pursuit of higher ratings. Ayaw niyang kataluhin ang dalawang panig. Ang pag-appease niya just means na wala siyang posisyon, no? And as appeasement sometimes is concerned with gusto mong makita ng dalawang panig na okay ka, and that will only boil down to a pursuit of higher ratings. Diba?
Malaman yung sinasabi nyo, Dina. May kinalaman ba yun sa possible higher position that he might seek in 2028? Kasi ang context, dagdagan ko ng konting context, no? Kasi he was also seen as a surprise winner ng 2025 midterms, no? Because of the fact that he placed second. And ang idea was he was able to get votes from different sides, di ba? Even from the DDS yata, yun ang basa nila. Parang ganun yung naisip kong konteksto nung binabanggit nyo yung higher ratings instead of values.
Kaya nga eh. Kaya, alam mo, I mean, mga politiko naman nagkakamali siguro because the situation is so novel, no? Talagang all the intense pressure and the intensity of the situation talaga. Biro mo, kasama nila ang ikukulong, pero kung malinaw lang ang advocacy mo, hindi malinaw ang sagot kasi. I think that's the that's the point of people, no, that look up to him, so kaya madaming na-disappoint,
Mm.
so
Including
kaya
you. Nakita ko yung
I
post
don't
nyo.
I don't buy yung binasa mo tapos it was read out of context. No, you have to look deeper into this. Yung sinasabi mo kanina, you have to look deeper into this talaga. Ano ba siya? Nagbabalancing act ba siya? Iyon question. Nagbabalancing act ba siya o hindi, no? Kaya just have to take sides in this particular case. Lalo na ang involved is crime against humanity. Diba?
You need to take a strong stand. No? Hindi pwedeng you have your cake and eat it too. Or neither here
Oo.
nor there. Yan ang basically
Yeah,
punto rito.
neither here nor there, no? So,
Mm. Okay.
mahirap. It's either, para mong sinasabi, I'm for it and I'm not for it.
Malabo yata yan.
O nga, eksakto, ang labo. Kaya ang sabi ko nga sa iyo, Christian, kung makita ko, hindi ko talaga alam ang position niya actually. I don't know exactly what his position is. Kaya gusto ko siyang tanungin diretsahan. Saan ka ba? Diba?